अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन कराम, हमेशा की तरह आज भी हम डॉक्टर ज़ाकिर नाइक की वीडियोस पर बात करेंगे कि डॉक्टर साहब से एक आदमी ने ये सवाल किया कि ये जो ऑनलाइन बिज़नेस होते हैं, वर्क होता है, जिस तरह ट्रेडिंग हो गई, अमेज़न हो गई, फ्रीलांसिंग हो गई, जितने भी ऑनलाइन बिज़नेस किए जाते हैं, क्या ये इस्लाम में हलाल हैं या हराम हैं। जब इस तरह डॉक्टर साहब से क्वेश्चन किया गया तो डॉक्टर साहब इस पर बड़ी ही वजाहत के साथ जवाब देगा। आइए ये वीडियो सुन लेते हैं, फिर आगे जाकर इस पर बात करते हैं। उससे पहले चैनल पर नए हो काइंडली चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको इस तरह का कंटेंट डॉक्टर साहब का मिलता रहे। तो आइए ये वीडियो सुन लेते हैं।
Suppose I buy foreign currency and exchange it later at a higher rate for profit, is it permissible? A similar question is asked by Abdul Rahman. He's from Pakistan. Is forex trading halal or haram in Islam? A similar question is again asked. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sayyid Aftab, an accountant from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Sir, I hope you're doing great. Yes, alhamdulillah. My question is regarding forex trading online. Sir, is it halal or haram to trade in forex, that is euro, US dollars, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, etc., through online broker? If a broker claims he is offering Islamic account, sir, I love you for Allah, thank you. I love you too. The basic question is forex trading permitted? Is buying foreign currency and then selling it for a higher price permitted? Is forex trading in foreign currency like USD, US dollars, in sterling pounds, in Japanese yen, is it permissible? Can you do forex trading online through a broker, etc.? As far as forex trading is concerned, as far as buying foreign currency and selling it, if you do not break any rules of the Sharia, if you follow all the rules of the Sharia and you're within the rules of Sharia as far as trading is concerned, it is permissible. For example, if a person goes and buys a foreign currency, if you exchange your dollar and buy sterling pounds, and later on, after a few weeks or a few months, the sterling pound goes higher, and you sell the sterling pound back and get a bigger amount of dollars than what you purchased for, it is permitted, as long as it is done on the spot with your own money. But when you do forex trading on a larger scale with different things involved, there are many haram things involved in it.
नाज़रीन कराम, बड़ी ही अच्छी वीडियो है डॉक्टर साहब की, बड़े ही अच्छे क्वेश्चन पर आज बात हो रही है, क्योंकि इस वर्क का ट्रेंड चल रहा है। तो ये आप सुन के जाएं आपको, ताकि ये भी क्लियर हो जाए कि ये हलाल हैं या हराम है। आइए थोड़ी सी वीडियो रहती है, ये भी सुन के जाएं।
Directly buying from the exchange, keeping with you, then selling, as long as it is your money and no other thing, haram thing is involved, it's permissible. But normally what happens in forex trading when you do on a higher level, there are many associated haram things involved. For example, you may book for buying and then you may delay. You pay some money and delay the deal. This is haram. And you pay some money, that's called as riba. You may trade in margin. So you pay only 10% and the balance somebody else pays, and then you share the profit with it. A beloved Prophet said that if you give loan to someone, you cannot involve profit in it. Or if you take loan from someone, you cannot give him profit. So this becomes haram, this becomes riba. So many things associated with forex trading, especially when you do on a large scale. There may be futures, which is haram. There may be options, which is haram. So as long as no haram things are involved, it is permitted. But many a times, most of the time, when it's done on large scale, there is borrowing with riba, there is futures, there is options. So these involve haram elements which make it haram. For example, insurance per se is not haram. But the conventional insurance is haram because it involves interest, it involves gambling, it involves things which are not sure. So if it doesn't involve gambling, doesn't involve riba, doesn't involve unsurety, if it's takaful, it's permissible. The insurance per se is not haram. Similarly, trading, buying and selling Foreign currency per se is not haram, but because associated things are there, even in online, one important factor is there that if you buy, see it is an on-the-spot transaction. So if you buy on the spot and exchange with the hand, it's permissible. If you are doing online, see to it you get the currency with you on the spot. If there is a delay and if it's later on, futures involved, then it becomes haram. If you take a loan and do margin trading, it becomes haram. If there are futures, if there are options, it becomes haram. But generally, trading in foreign currency and making a profit on the spot, if it's your own money without involving haram activities, it's permissible. Stay away from the haram activities, it's fine. Hope that answers the question.
حاضرین کرام، آپ نے ڈاکٹر صاحب کا یہ جو لیکچر تھا سنا ہوگا اور آپ کو یہ کویسچن بھی کلیئر ہو گیا ہوگا کہ یہ آن لائن بزنس کرنا جائز ہے یا نہیں. تو بڑے ہی اچھے انداز کے ساتھ ڈاکٹر صاحب آپ کے سامنے وضاحت بھی فرمائیے. انشاءاللہ یہ کویسچن آپ کا کلیئر بالکل بھی ہو گیا ہوگا. اس طرح اور بھی ویڈیوز دیکھنا چاہتے ہیں، کانٹینٹ دیکھنا چاہتے ہیں، ٹاپک اگر دیکھنا چاہتے ہیں تو اسی چینل پر آپ کو ڈاکٹر صاحب کے بے شمار ویڈیوز ملتی رہیں گی. تو اسی بنا پر چینل کو سبسکرائب کر دیں، ساتھ ہی ویڈیو کو لائک کر دیں، کمنٹ سیکشن میں اپنی رائے ضرور لکھیں. ملتے ہیں کسی یونیک ویڈیو کے ساتھ، تب تک کے لیے اجازت چاہتا ہوں. اللہ حافظ.